Hi everyone, Overlord here. Wanted to talk about the next update, v1.0.8. The mod detection system is very interesting, I think. So, click my workshop folder, it will automatically go to Project Zomboid now. It's been many updates, but I want to talk about the mod detection. So the mod detection system, these are your mods. So I've just clicked workshop folder, automatically displays your workshop folder here, your Steam project Zomboid. So this is here to help you detect conflicts, error codes. You're able to track your progress with Discord integration, so you can, for example, this mod. I'll click this mod, double click, and I can select tag. So in progress, bugged, broken, fixed. So the idea of that is I can keep track. If I'm working on this mod tonight, I put in progress, I would say, or bugged. It's up to you. I'll add more stuff to it, but that's the idea so far. It's to keep track of your mods. So if I click on any mod here, I can get the mod details of that mod. Why there's something wrong with it. So it'll give me the ID, where the mod is, what's wrong with the mod, and the fixed suggestions. So it's not going to tell you every problem. It's a work in progress, build error codes up. If you have error codes and you fixed it, send me them so I can put into the database, and we'll build these error codes up for Project Zomboid. So just literally, you load your mod, subscribe to Steam, it downloads to your folder, you select your workshop, you come to this page and it'll tell you exactly what's wrong with the mod. That's the idea. And this will work with our games shortly, such as DayZ, especially. But anyway, so the good thing about these is you can set up a Discord webhook, right? You grab your URL. This is just a test URL anyway, so if you use it, it doesn't matter. Not a test. Get your URL, save it. So the minute I've done that, it's activated to your Discord webhook to the channel you want. So, for example, I would put a new category, bug tracker, and then put channels in progress, bugged, broken, fixed. And every time I double click and I pick broken and click OK, that's going to send a embedded message to your channel so that you can share with your community. If that mod's broken, everyone can. And the minute you fix that, you can easily just put fixed, and that tells your community that mod is now fixed, there's no issue with it. You understand where I'm going with this? So the next cool wee system is the conflict system, right? So as you can see here on our far right, it says conflicts. This mod, what we just done, there's no conflicts at all because it doesn't say it in my mod details, it says. But if I click here, right, so if I go down to errors, it's saying multiple things is wrong with it. So there's no mod.info, there's no JSON, there's file conflicts of 218, as you can see up here as well. So what that means, all these files are conflicting with something. As you can see, I might need to make an actual scroll box, but you get to adjust. All these, there's something wrong with all these files. So I will obviously make it much more advanced over time, but I think so far it's helping you with your conflicts if it's conflicting with different files in a different mod. So for example, Brita's weapon packs has the AK-47 and our mod uses that AK-47. It's going to conflict and it's going to tell you here. And it's really good. It's a work in progress, obviously, but it does work. and I can refresh every time here. If I click here though, so click that mod, add custom errors. So here you on your wee team or anything can click on all spear traps. Error found broken chair. Oh, I spelled chair wrong, that's quite funny. I'm such a bad speller. But anyway, you can keep track of all your mods, progress, work you're doing with that mod. I think I've got something, I think this will help. Just give me all the feedback I can get, and it helps me to help you. Right, anyway, so I need to fix all these mods, so it's bugged, obviously broken, because it's got 218 conflicts, and I'm going to go here and check what's wrong, blah blah blah. So any feedback would be brilliant. You can export your report as well. There's a new file manager, I'm not going to go into it too much, it's quite self-explanatory, but I'll get the pictures working at some point. It does save, there's a wee error there. Arheim webhooks, you can create your custom webhook, send it to your Discord. So I just really wanted to talk about the mod detection. But that is it.